A Greenlight unboxing! Woohoo! I sell lots of Greenlight collectibles over on my website, and you should really get your next piece from my site. I've got a link for you down below. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, why not? It's totally free and it helps me out. Plus, it helps you get only the best diecast for your collection. Plus, there's the added benefit of learning more about the real machines. As you probably already know, Greenlight makes many different series of products, like the Hitch and Tow, the Black Bandit, and Hot Pursuit. But how many of you have the Running on Empty sets? I've got Series 8. Can you believe it? They are already up to Series 8 in the Running on Empty line. By the way, this is actually an old set I found in the back of the warehouse, so they are really past Series 8 at this point. Anyway, I'm going to review it and see if I get a green machine. I kind of doubt I will, as back when this set came out, green machines seemed harder to get. Without further ado, let's head on over and unbox some Greenlight.
And here we go, guys. This is Running on Empty Series 8. It's another older release of 6 vehicles. It's a sealed inner pack, so we'll see if we come up with an actual green machine inside. Maybe, maybe not. After all, these were older sets and they weren't putting as many green machines in the cases back then. Its item number is 41080. Now let's go on and open him up. Tip him on his side here, and that way we can go on and pull him out. Yep, there we go. Tissue paper again. Let's see if we get a green machine. No green machine. Nope, not a green machine. Not a green machine. 3 more chances. Here we go. What do you think? Will we get one? Not a green machine. Nope, not a green machine. And what about that last one? You think it'll be a green machine, guys? Doesn't look like a green machine. Oh well, maybe next time. And there is the complete set still in the package. Note the fancy Running on Empty packaging. They did a pretty great job making these look like they're old vintage ad vehicles. Pretty cool. And they show off the brands that each vehicle represents very well in this packaging. Now these do have the letters. There's A through F. So I'm going to start off with A and work over to F, which is the Bardahl. A being way over here. And on the back of the packaging, it's got the entire series, so you can make sure you collect every single piece in the set. And the Running on Empty logos. Really, really nice Series 8. Now, if you notice the packaging, it has got the Autolite Spark Plugs and a spark plug here and a spark plug box. Because this one was made for Autolite. Really, really cool that they did that. Generally, they overlook spark plugs, but spark plugs are so important to your vehicle. It is their 1939 Chevy panel truck, and you can see the Autolite Spark Plugs logo on the door and up on the panel. It is in white with a gray tan top, two-tone, and in red fenders, white wheels with red center caps. Really, really sharp paint scheme. It stands out pretty well. Round to the front, you can see that chrome bumper and the chrome grille with headlights. Also, it has molded in windshield wipers hanging down from the top on the front windows. Really, really sharp. Turned around to the back, it's got a license plate on the left side and the Autolite logo on the right side back doors. Also, it looks like there's one brake light right there underneath the license plate. Pretty cool. It is a 39, so the standards and requirements for lighting was not quite the same then as it is today. And here is the B version. It's for Texaco. You can see the Texaco logo up in the globe on the gas pump there, and then for lettering in the where the numbers would be on the gas pump, gallons and price, it says Series 8. It is the 1941 military half-ton 4x4 pickup that they made, which is based on the one they made for Stacy James in Gears. It is a lifted, big mud tires, winch on the front. I wish they'd have made it as a real military pickup instead of all this lift kit and all this weird stuff, and made it look like the real old Dodge Power Wagon that it was supposed to be instead of the modified thing that they did, but this is what we got. It is cream cab and bed sitting on a red fenders, red running boards, red bumpers. It's got Texaco on the tailgate. It's got some stuff in the bed. It's also got a shovel on the side. Texaco logo right there up on the door. It's got Big John's Texaco, the Texaco logo, and John Colwell, Waxahachie, Texas on the door. Really nice addition to this set, and it looks pretty cool. Next up is the C version. See the Fram oil filter and air filter here and here on the packaging. Really nice. They showing off in the Fram oil filters and air filters because, let's face it, our cars would be in bad shape without them. It's a black 1955 Chevrolet 150 sedan delivery, meaning a panel wagon, and it has the white top and then all the lettering in orange or black, Fram filters. Really sharp. This is a great Halloween piece. Doesn't it look like that to you? Orange wheels with chrome center caps and white wall tires. Front has a chrome grille, individual jewel style headlights, and a bumper that looks like it's actually crooked. Go Greenlight. But it's a nice chrome bumper. It's nice to have an old vintage vehicle. At the back it has what looks like a California style license plate that says Fram. Chrome bumper, and it actually has a trailer hitch on the back. Sharp, sharp, sharp. And then there's the rear brake lights. Nice, nice piece. Another addition. The C, which is great. A Fram filters. Got to show off the filters and everything else in your cars. Now let's head over to this D version right here. See the stack of tires? A great way they market tires is they put 3 tires laying flat, and then they stand up the 4th tire inside the top. It won't roll away that way. It's stuck in place, and it shows off a full set of tires real well. And then they put a little cardboard advertising thing inside the upper tire. It says what type of tire it is. And these are for Firestone. Talk about kind of a boring set. It is a 1969 Volkswagen Type 2 panel van. It has a little spotlight and bell on the roof. Not sure why. Maybe this is a fire version, but it's all red with a Firestone logo. Chrome wheels, so it looks like it's custom wheels aftermarket. Big Volkswagen logo in the grille, individual jewel headlights, and white interior. I always liked this style of the Volkswagen van so much better than the other style, and I'm betting that's a Texas plate to go with Texaco. The D version. And here is the E version. This one is for another tire company, Bridgestone. You'll notice they use the same exact stack of tires, only they changed the insert and put Bridgestone instead of Firestone this time. That works just fine. Now, we'll pull it up. It is a 2001 Nissan Skyline GTR, a BNR 34 release, and it's for Bridgestone Racing. It has Bridgestone Racing graphics painted all over it. It's in gray and black with some white and red striping. Really, really a neat color. It's got a rear spoiler, brake lights tampoed on, license plate, full interior, and around front it has the Nissan GTR in the grille and in the headlights. Really cool. This was one of the neatest cars, was the old Skylines. But I'm not too sure about this paint job. It just doesn't stand out like the rest of them. And that is the E version. And here's the F, the last one in the set. It's for Bardahl. It's a motor oil additive. It reduces friction and increases power. Really useful stuff in your cars. And you can see a can of Bardahl right there. And then we'll pull it up. It's the 2017 Ford F-150 in yellow and black paint scheme. Really cool. Kind of looks like a bumblebee. It's got Bardahl on the hood, Bardahl on the door, and then it has world famous oils and additives. It's also got Bardahl's website and phone number on the back window, and then a world without it on the tailgate, and Bardahl there. Ford logo, F-150, license plate, and it also has a bumper hitch to hitch up to one of their trailers. Round to the front, you got a black grille with a Ford oval. The headlights this is a sharp, bright truck. It would stand out sitting on the road. And it's a great addition to this set. This is the 2017 Ford F-150 for Bardahl. And that, my friends, is the full set of 6 for Running on Empty Series 8. A pretty nice set. It'll make a great addition to your collection. And it has multiple automotive company representation right there. Autolite Spark Plugs, Texaco, Fram Filters, Firestone Tires, Bridgestone Tires, and Bardahl Oil and Additives. Really nice pieces to put in your collection.
How many of you are going to go looking for this set or maybe other Running on Empty series sets? Let me know in the comments and buy the current release over on my website, farmtoysandmore.com. A purchase there will really help keep this channel going, as it is a full-time job to make these videos for you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please smash that like button and subscribe for more great diecast unboxing videos. This is Logan, the 64 the Gear Jammer Skeele, founder of Advantage Diecast, and I'll be back soon with another episode of Toy Talk.